Good day. I'm Permilik Sorga. I will talk about the definition of antenna in different fields. Antenna is an example of antenna. Antenna is an electrical device which converts electric current into the radio wave and vice versa. And this definition of with different fields. In science and engineering, antenna is also known as an aerial transducer designed to transmit to receive electromagnetic. Example, TV of radio or radio waves. For this, in antenna is the function of antenna is to receive a data for us to have sounds and many more. And for the television antenna or TV aerial, it's an antenna specifically designed for the reception of broadcast television signals. In this field, the antenna is used to search for the signals for us to have a good antennas galaxy. The name of two colliding galaxies, NGC 4308 and NGC 4039. And that's all.